Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to see how to invoke Lambda function with the help of API gateway. Also, we'll be looking like how to pass a parameter from API to Lambda so that you can work with your APIs. So let's quickly jump into the section. So let's navigate to a Lambda function. So and we will be trying creating with the new one. So this is the UI which is looking while creating a lambda function. So let's go for author from scratch and my function name notepad function API. Okay, so I'll prefer the runtime with Python. You can go for any of the one. So 3.9. Yeah, these are the, so I'll keep it as it is. So these are the advanced settings. If you need any tags, any VPC needs to be enabled. So so we just create a function now. Yeah, let's wait a couple of minutes to load. Meanwhile, yeah, it's done. Yeah, our lambda function is done. This is, let's jump quick into the load tester. Yeah, let's try to test this initially. So I'm giving the event name as notepad test. Yeah, save. So I'm giving a test. Yeah, now I can able to get the status. So that is fine. So from here, like we will be starting with integrating with the API gateway. So I'm creating with a new duplicate tab. So I'm going with the API gateway. So API gateway. Okay. Yeah, we have two options. So we can create API gateway separately, or from we can add from trigger itself. So in this video, we are adding from the trigger. So source, I'll choose API gateway. So I don't have any, see, I don't have any existing API actually. So I'm creating with a new one. So I'm choosing with HTTP. So security is, I'm giving it as a open. Okay, I'm adding this. Yeah, the trigger is automatically added. Okay, yeah, now it's fine. So see how now I can able to see the same output, but the main motto of this video is like how we are integrating with the API gateway. So go for configuration. So in trigger you can find the endpoint here. So I'm copying this and I'm pasting it in the new tab. So I'm getting hello from Lambda, which is passing from here actually. So this is the body hello from Lambda. This is what we are getting here with our API gateway. So now we are going to see like how we are passing the values from API and how the Lambda function is invoking. See, okay. So I have my code ready. So I'm copy paste this. Yeah, now it is fine. So let me explain the code. So I'm importing the JSON. Since I have API, mostly we will prefer with the JSON format. So next, the line item 2, it is import photo 3. So whenever you are communicating with any AWS services, you need to import a AWS Cloud CDK. So that is about 3. So I'm defining inside my function with event and context. So this is the main to communicate with the our API actually. So this is a query string parameter which we will be passing from API. So from API we can able to retrieve the data with the help of mapping the specific variable. So once that is done, I am returning simply the name here. So that's it. So if we need any modification or something, you can definitely go ahead and you can provide your to-dos here. Okay, so I'm deploying this. So and I'm testing this. Let's try testing from here. So I'm getting a response error message like query string parameter. So because it is depending on API gateway, so we can't able to test. If we manually process the data here, we can able to, since it is from data, it is needs to be there. So see, I'm able to get here. So the only thing, yeah, I need to add something. Before that, let me just try to reload this. I'm getting like internal server. What we need to do is like, it expects a query string. Okay, so the query string is name. So I'm giving us, so whenever we are passing any query string parameter, it has to be in the question mark. So name equals notepad. So if you are passing multiple items, you can go definitely go ahead and use like name place equal to India, something like that. So you can able to pass more value, one or more values as well. So as of now we have only one, so I'm passing this alone. So I'm getting like a notepad. So we can able to get an output. So what I'm doing is like, simply I'm not doing anything, I'm returning the name. So whatever I'm passing it and the query string, I just simply trying here. So this is a task which I have done. So let me explain with some other inputs as well for your better understanding. So let's refresh this. Yeah, we can able to get this. So far I have created HTTP API. So we have REST and HTTP and WebSocket as well. But I have yeah, let me show you like what are the APIs we have. Like HTTP, WebSocket, and REST API private. So REST and HTTP is moreover similar only. So but REST API have more advanced features. So but while because while we are preferring HTTP API, because of it have low latency and it is very cost effective. So that's why I have preferred this. So if you wish and if you need more features, definitely you can go for a REST API. So this is the API gateway and the APIs. So I have function URL. So invoke method, you can go for anyone. So this is the one and this is the ARN we have, and this is the route actually. So it is already deployed, so you don't need to go for anything. So this is the one. So what this URL means actually, so this is the API endpoint actually from here. So this is a deployment. So and this is a lambda function name, and this is the, and these are these parameters actually. So this is how we need to perform. If you guys need any help or anything, you can ping me over chat, so I'll happy to help you. So you can, so whenever you are invoking with HTTP API via lambda, with lambda, think of this query string parameter. This is the important thing. So most of the time you will not find for the specific code, but you can refer here. So thank you for watching. Please do subscribe. Thank you.